Welcome to our channel. Today we how to open a Chase checking account online, complete walkthrough step by step clearly. To open a Chase checking account online, start by visiting the Chase website. Locate the Open an Account button on the home page. Click on the button to proceed to the account options. Select checking accounts from the list provided. You will see various checking account options available. Review each account type and select the one that best suits your needs. Click on the Open Account button for your chosen account type. You will be prompted to sign in to your Chase account if you have one. If you don't have an account, look for the option to create a new one. Fill out the required personal information on the application form. This includes your name, address, and date of birth. Provide your social security number for verification purposes. Enter your contact information, including your email and phone number. You will need to set up a username and password for your account access. Continue to the next section where you'll select your funding method. You can fund your new account using a debit card, bank transfer, or a check. Follow the prompts to complete your funding selection. Review the terms and conditions before proceeding. Make sure to read through the account details thoroughly. Once you are comfortable, click on the I agree button. Submit your application once you have filled in all required fields. After submission, you will receive a confirmation message on your screen. You may also receive an email confirmation shortly after. Keep an eye on your email for any updates regarding your application status. Once approved, you will gain immediate access to your new Chase checking account online. Explore the online banking features available to you. Congratulations, you've successfully opened a Chase checking account online. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.